Most people look at dry, neglected soil and see failure, a place where nothing useful can grow. Cracked earth, forgotten corners, plants that never made it. So they walk away, thinking fruit trees need perfect care, rich compost, and constant attention. But what if that's completely wrong? What if the problem isn't your soil? It's the trees you've been choosing. Because hidden in plain sight are fruit trees that don't just survive neglect, they actually prefer it. Trees that grow in poor, dry, even rocky ground, that don't need daily watering, that quietly take root and over time begin to produce food with almost no effort. Imagine turning that ignored patch of land into something that feeds you season after season without fixing the soil, without expensive fertilizers, without constant work. In this video, you're going to discover 10 powerful fruit trees that thrive where most plants fail. Some of them might already grow near you, unnoticed. And once you see how they behave, you may never look at bad soil the same way again. Tree number 1. Fig tree. There's something quiet and resilient about a fig tree. You can plant it in dry, poor soil, even slightly rocky ground, and it won't complain. While other plants struggle, the fig slowly sends its roots deeper, searching, adapting, surviving. It doesn't need daily watering, and in fact, too much care can weaken it. In neglected corners, along broken walls, even in forgotten yards, fig trees often grow stronger. Over time, their wide leaves create shade, protecting the soil beneath them. Then one day, without much warning, soft, sweet fruit begins to appear, hanging like small hidden treasures. It's the kind of tree that rewards patience, not effort. You don't manage it, you leave it alone. And that's exactly why it thrives. For anyone with dry soil and little time, the fig tree quietly proves that abundance doesn't always come from perfect conditions. Tree number 2, pomegranate tree. The pomegranate tree feels like it was made for harsh environments. Dry air, neglected soil, inconsistent watering. It handles it all without losing strength. Its branches grow in a slightly wild, untamed way, as if it's comfortable being left alone. Even when the ground looks lifeless, this tree continues to push forward, producing bright red flowers that eventually turn into heavy, jewel-like fruits. What makes it different is its tolerance. It doesn't rely on rich soil or constant feeding. In fact, too much attention can reduce its fruiting. It prefers space, sunlight, and just enough neglect to stay balanced. Over time, it becomes a reliable presence in the garden, strong, steady, and productive. When you finally hold a ripe pomegranate in your hand, it feels almost unexpected, like something that shouldn't have grown there, but did anyway.
Guava tree is one of those rare plants that seems to ignore limitations. Poor soil, uneven watering, even a bit of neglect, it keeps growing. You can plant it in a simple backyard corner and walk away, and it will still find a way to establish itself. Its leaves stay green even when conditions aren't ideal, and its growth is steady without needing constant care. What stands out most is how quickly it begins to produce fruit. Within a short time, small green guavas appear, slowly ripening into soft, fragrant rewards. The tree doesn't demand attention, it simply does its job quietly. For beginner gardeners or anyone with limited time, the guava tree feels almost forgiving. It doesn't punish mistakes. Instead, it adapts, survives, and produces.
Tree number 4, mulberry tree. Mulberry trees have a reputation for growing where nothing else will. Roadsides, empty plots, neglected land, you'll often find them thriving in places that receive almost no care. Their growth is fast, almost aggressive, as if they're determined to claim space and turn it into something alive. The soil doesn't need to be perfect. In fact, mulberries often prefer it a little rough. Once established, they spread wide, creating shade and dropping clusters of small, sweet berries. These fruits arrive in abundance, often more than one tree can handle. And the best part? The tree asks almost nothing in return. No constant watering, no special treatment. It simply grows, year after year. If your garden feels neglected or forgotten, the mulberry tree doesn't just survive, it takes over, transforming the space into something productive without asking permission. Tree number 5, jujube or bear tree. The jujube tree, often known as bear, is built for survival. Dry climates, poor soil, intense heat, these are the conditions where it feels most at home. While other fruit trees struggle under the same pressure, the jujube stands firm, barely affected. Its leaves remain small and efficient, conserving energy, while its roots dig deep into the ground. It doesn't rely on frequent watering, and it doesn't demand rich nutrients. Instead, it slowly develops strength over time. Then come the fruits, small, round, and surprisingly sweet. They appear almost effortlessly, even when the tree has been largely ignored. This is a tree that doesn't need perfect care or constant monitoring. It thrives on resilience. For anyone dealing with harsh conditions or inconsistent gardening habits, the jujube tree offers something rare, a dependable harvest from a tree that asks almost nothing. Tree number 6, olive tree. Olive trees carry a kind of timeless endurance. They are known for surviving in dry, rocky soils where very little else can grow. You can plant one in a neglected area, give it minimal water, and it will slowly adapt, becoming stronger each year. Unlike fast-growing trees, olives take their time. Their growth is steady, deliberate, almost patient. They don't need rich soil or constant feeding. In fact, they often perform better when left alone. Over time, their twisted trunks and silvery leaves create a quiet beauty in the garden. And eventually, small green olives begin to appear, ripening slowly under the sun. It's not a tree that demands attention. It rewards consistency over time. If you're willing to wait and let nature do its work, the olive tree becomes a long-term companion, thriving in places most gardeners would overlook. Tree number 7, date palm. The date palm is built for extremes. Heat, dryness, sandy soil, conditions that would damage most fruit trees are exactly what this one prefers. You'll often see it growing in open, exposed areas where water is limited and care is minimal. Its tall structure allows it to reach sunlight easily, while its deep roots search far below the surface for moisture. It doesn't rely on frequent watering, and once established, it becomes incredibly self-sufficient. Over time, clusters of dates begin to form high above, slowly ripening in the heat. It's a tree that represents patience and endurance. You don't need to manage it daily or protect it constantly. You simply give it space and time. And in return, it produces one of the most energy-rich fruits, even in conditions that seem completely unforgiving. Tree number 8, tamarind tree. Tamarind trees are known for their ability to survive in tough, neglected environments. Poor soil doesn't stop them. In fact, they often grow stronger in it. Their wide canopy provides natural shade, cooling the ground beneath and slowly improving the surrounding area. Once planted, they require very little attention. Occasional watering is enough, and even that becomes less important as the tree matures. What makes tamarind unique is its long-term value. It doesn't rush to produce fruit, but when it does, the pods are rich, tangy, and highly versatile. This is not a tree for quick results. It's for lasting presence. It becomes part of the landscape, quietly growing year after year. In neglected spaces, it doesn't just survive, it stabilizes, improves, and eventually produces something valuable without constant care. Tree number 9, loquat tree. The loquat tree brings a softer presence to neglected gardens. It doesn't look harsh or wild, but it's surprisingly tough. It can grow in poor soil and tolerate irregular watering without losing its ability to produce fruit. Its large, textured leaves give it a tropical feel, even in less than ideal conditions. What makes it special is its timing. While many trees fruit in warm seasons, loquat often produces in cooler months, adding variety to your garden. The fruits are small, golden, and slightly tangy, refreshing and unexpected. Even if the soil isn't perfect, the tree continues to grow steadily, asking for very little. It doesn't demand constant pruning or feeding. Instead, it adapts quietly. For gardeners who want something low maintenance but still visually appealing, the loquat tree offers both resilience and beauty in one simple package. Tree number 10, mango tree. Mango trees are often seen as tropical and delicate, but once established, they can handle more neglect than most people expect. In less than perfect soil, they still find a way to grow strong, especially if given enough sunlight and space. Their roots expand widely, allowing them to pull nutrients from deeper layers of the ground. While young trees need some care, mature mango trees become surprisingly independent. They don't require daily attention, and overwatering can actually harm them. As the seasons pass, their dense canopy grows thicker, providing shade and protection. Then come the fruits, large, fragrant, and full of flavor. It's a slow transformation, but a rewarding one. In a neglected garden, the mango tree doesn't just survive, it becomes the centerpiece, proving that even minimal care can lead to something truly abundant. And maybe this is the part most people never realize. Your garden was never the problem. The dry soil, the cracks, the neglect, it wasn't failure. It was just waiting for the right kind of life. Because not every tree needs perfect care. Some grow stronger when they're left alone. Some dig deeper when the surface looks empty. And slowly, quietly, they turn forgotten spaces into something that gives back. So instead of trying to fix everything, maybe the better choice is to plant smarter. Choose trees that work with your environment, not against it. Let them adapt. Let them surprise you. Because one day you might walk into that same neglected corner and find it full of fruit, shade, and life you didn't have to fight for. If this changed the way you see your soil, start with just one tree. Watch what happens, and when it grows, you'll know you never needed perfect conditions to begin with.